Good morning, students. Welcome you all to Standard 8. So, I wish you all have completed your assignment, which was earlier provided to you. You have done all the questions. So, in this way, we have revised what we have learned in earlier classes. Now, in the subject mathematics, we are going to deal with the first topic of Standard 8. The first topic of Standard 8 is rational number. Today we are going to deal with rational number. Students, we all are aware that mathematics is a science of quantity. Quantity means it is a science of numbers. Mathematics is the science of numbers. Mathematics is the science of quantity. In our day-to-day situation, in our day-to-day life, we come across many situations in which we deal with quantities. Numbers के साथ जहाँ हम अपने day-to-day life में deal करते हैं. So how do we describe that? To describe कि आपको कितना marks आया, how much marks you have got in your exams, or how many numbers of pencils you are having. So how much का answer देने के लिए we need numbers. How much का answer देने के लिए we need numbers. For example, as I have said, report card में कितने marks है, the marks you get. What is the temperature for today, कितनी गर्मी कितनी ठंड है. At the same time, some people are scared of the height or depth, ऊंचाई और गहराई नापने के लिए भी हमें numbers चाहिए. As well as the share of any item. कि घर पे chocolate आया, half of the share your sister is going to take and half of the share the brother is going to take. The share of things. In this way, numbers, the marks which we are getting, which will be positive, the temperature of a place, it can be positive, it can be negative. 0 डिग्री से ऊपर भी जा सकता है, 0 डिग्री से नीचे भी जा सकता है. Height, 5 मीटर ऊपर, 5 मीटर नीचे, height and depth. And share of the cake, the whole cake में से 1/4 कोई ले रहा है, 3/4 कोई ले रहा है, like that. Now students, as we saw that numbers can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, they all are natural numbers. Now, in that natural number, if we include 0, it becomes whole number. And in that whole number, if we include the negative part also, as it is shown in the number line, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the right hand side and -1, -2, -3, -4 and on the left hand side. It means here the numbers are positive as well as negative as well as it is 0. And the fourth picture is describing the slices of pizza, which is showing a fraction. In the first part, the pizza is divided into two parts. Half part already finished, half part is left. In the second picture, the pizza is having 8 slices in which 4 slices are consumed. So, we saw that numbers are natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, fractions, which we all have read till standard 7. Standard 7 तक ये 4 टॉपिक हम अच्छे से पढ़ चुके हैं. But keep in mind that whenever we have read fractions, we have not seen any negative part. अब किसी whole का हम negative part तो कर नहीं सकते. It will be only having the positive part. एक part को हम कितने भी part में करेंगे divide आगे further, there won't be any negative part. सबसे छोटा part is not going to be negative. So fraction can never be negative. Fraction can never be negative. So when fractions can't be negative, so that type of numbers which is having division form, numerator by denominator, and which is as well as negative also. So for introducing that type of numbers, we have to read the new topic which we are going to discuss today is rational number. Those type of numbers are called rational number. like the depth minus 749, that's 3 upon 40. It is the depth, or the temperature can also be negative. The difference between fraction and rational number is only that fraction can't be negative and rational numbers can be negative as well as it can be positive. Now we are going to discuss further. So rational number includes natural numbers, it also includes whole numbers, it also includes integers, and at the last it also includes fractions. और इन सब के साथ एक नई प्रॉपर्टीज में क्या ऐड हो जाती है? In this, the numbers can be negative. So now we are going to read out the definition. Rational numbers are always in the form of p by q. p by q के फॉर्म में तो फ्रैक्शन भी होते थे, but here p and q both are integers. और फ्रैक्शन में क्या होता था? p by q दोनों क्या होते थे? या तो होल नंबर होते थे या फिर नेचुरल नंबर होते थे. Where q is not equal to 0, it means that the denominator can never be 0. So students, if denominator will be 0, it will be undefined. It is very clear. So again I am repeating the definition. Rational numbers are in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. So through a diagram I can show you. रेशनल नंबर के अंदर इंटीजर के अंदर होल नंबर और होल नंबर के अंदर नेचुरल नंबर. So students, one more thing I should add is 0 is a special number, rational number. 0 is a special rational number. It can be here 0, numerator can be 0, but denominator cannot be 0. If numerator will be 0, the whole number, the whole value will be 0. तो पूरा होल वैल्यू 0 बन जाएगा, पर डिनोमिनेटर अगर 0 बन गया तो पूरे का कोई वैल्यू ही नहीं. नाउ स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ रेशनल नंबर. द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ रेशनल नंबर इज दैट द रेशनल नंबर इज ऑलवेज इन इट्स सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म. रेशनल नंबर हमेशा क्या होगा? अपने सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में होगा. अब सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में कैसे होगा? वी विल रिड्यूस इट. जो भी उसके कॉमन फैक्टर्स होंगे उसको हम बाहर निकाल लेंगे. तो वी आर गोइंग टू रिड्यूस इट. And students, one more thing I will add, in standard form, negative sign denominator का नहीं हो सकता. It's not possible in standard form that denominator won't be having negative sign. अगर उसके पास negative sign है denominator पास, then there is a process to make it positive, that is multiply both numerator and denominator by -1. न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों को -1 से आप मल्टीप्लाई कर दे, देन द डिनोमिनेटर विल बी पॉजिटिव. इट इज ऑलरेडी रिटन. सो टेकिंग वन एग्जांपल, -25/75. इसमें डिनोमिनेटर तो पॉजिटिव है, बट इट इज नॉट इन इट्स सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म. 25 इज द कॉमन फैक्टर. वी विल टेक इट आउट. 25 से ऊपर नीचे दोनों कैंसिल किया, देन न्यूमरेटर विल बी -1 and denominator will be 3. Similarly, another example I am taking here. C, denominator is minus, negative. So यहाँ पे पहले तो उसको रिड्यूस करेंगे सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में, और -1 से न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. So माइनस माइनस कैंसिल हो जाएगा एंड 33 के टेबल में 3 बार में 99 आता है. The result will be only 3. Few more examples you are going to try on your own. रेफर ऑनलाइन पीडीएफ्स, RS अग्रवाल का NCERT का कोई भी और प्रैक्टिस बुक का, वहां से क्वेश्चंस उठाएं एंड सॉल्व. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू रीड द एडिशन ऑफ रेशनल नंबर्स. नाउ फॉर एडिशन ऑफ रेशनल नंबर्स, व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट स्टेप्स? देयर आर लॉज ऑफ एडिशन ऑफ रेशनल नंबर्स. टू add any two positive rational number can be added. One can be positive, another can be negative. Then also they can be operated. What we will do, positive वाले को पहले, negative वाले को बाद में लिखेंगे. One positive and one negative rational number are subtracted and the sign of larger absolute value is the sign of the sum. The laws we have already read that plus 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 होता है, plus minus minus होता है, minus plus भी माइनस होता है, और माइनस माइनस प्लस होता है. एवरीवेयर द ग्रेटर नंबर साइन the same. यहाँ पर अगर एक नंबर पॉजिटिव है और दूसरा नंबर नेगेटिव है तो हम लोग सब्सट्रैक्ट करेंगे. फर्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू सब्सट्रैक्ट. अगर दो नंबर्स है, एक का साइन पॉजिटिव है दूसरे का साइन नेगेटिव है, तो वी आर गोइंग टू डू सब्सट्रैक्शन. तो साइन किसका होगा? साइन उस नंबर का होगा जिसकी वैल्यू ज्यादा होगी. एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू है. एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू you have read already in standard set. Now if two rational numbers are there, उन दोनों का sum करेंगे. We are going to add up and the sign will be negative. These were the laws. I'm going to repeat it again. अगर दोनों का पॉजिटिव तो सीधे एडिशन कर देना है. अगर दोनों का डिफरेंट साइन है तो सब्सट्रैक्शन करना है ग्रेटर नंबर साइन के साथ. और अगर दोनों का साइन नेगेटिव है तो एडिशन करना है बट द साइन विल बी नेगेटिव. The next topic is addition when the denominator is same. It's very easy. Only the LCM will be same only. Denominator will be 7. Simply you are doing the addition. Suppose the example is taken 5 by 7 plus minus 11 by 7. Denominator is same for both. 5 plus minus 11, it will be minus 6. Another example again we are taking here. Again the denominator is same, minus 21 and 21. Absolute value दोनों का same है. Signs दोनों के अलग है. What we have done, denominator का negative sign हमने numerator में shift कर दिया. -1 से multiply करके. The first step standard form में convert करना होगा. First step we have converted into standard form. Now students, again the same questions, same way it is done. One more question is on the screen. You can copy it down. Copy all the questions, and again I am saying the same words. You can practice more questions online. Now I'm going to begin with the questions in which the rational numbers are having different denominators. Same denominators हुआ तो addition करने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं. But when the rational numbers are having different denominators, then students, first step is to take out the LCM of the denominators. First, what you are going to do? First, take out the LCMs of the denominator. The LCM of 16 and 12 will be 48. Now, they are having the same denominator. The same steps will be repeated. 16 3s are 48 and 12 4s are 48. The LCM we have taken and the further steps we have done. It is clear on the screen. One question for you is that the sides of triangles are given, find its perimeter. It's very easy. The perimeter means sum of all the sides. You're going to add up. Answer is also written. Solve the question and match the answer. Now, properties of addition of rational numbers. To add different two rational numbers for integers and for fractions, we are going to learn what are the properties of rational numbers. The first property, few additions are there given for you, which you have to solve and you have to cross check the answers, in which the denominators are different. So the fourth question which is given on the screen, what type of numbers minus 13 by 60 or 1 by 8 or 0 are? Yes, they all are rational numbers. It doesn't matter. In the beginning only we have read that 0 is also a rational number. Numerator can be 0 and it's only there that the denominator cannot be 0 because it will be undefined. So coming up with the properties. The first property we are going to read is closure property. Closure property is under rational number. Rational number are closed under addition. In general, we can say that A by B plus C by D is equal to E by F, where they all are rational numbers. It means when one rational number is added to the another rational number, अगर एक rational number को हम दूसरे rational number से add करते हैं तो जो result हमको मिलता है वो भी क्या होता है, rational number ही होता है. This is called closure property. Closure property means is if one rational number is added to the another rational number, it will be rational number. You can note it down. See, the verification is given over here. Minus 3 by 5 plus minus 2 by 9. Denominators are different. अब LHS पहले solve करेंगे. 55 will be the LCM. You will solve. You will get the result minus 30 by 55. LHS का भी वही वैल्यू आएगा और RHS का भी वही वैल्यू. इस तरह से हमने प्रूव कर दिया. और दिस वेरिफिकेशन इट मीन्स स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ से हमने क्या समझा कि अगर हम ऑर्डर चेंज कर दिए एडिशन करते समय अगर हम ऑर्डर चेंज कर दिए तो उससे रिजल्ट में कोई भी चेंजेस नहीं आया. दिस इज ऑल्सो वन प्रॉपर्टी. दिस प्रॉपर्टी इज कॉल्ड कॉम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी. ये शो कर रहा है कि in any order we are going to add, we are going to get the same sum, and this property is called commutative property. So two or more rational numbers can be added in any order without changing its sum. Its sum is not going to be changed, इसलिए we can say addition is commutative for rational number. पहला प्रॉपर्टी हमने पढ़ा क्लोजर, दूसरा हमने पढ़ा कॉम्यूटेटिव. क्लोजर में बोला गया अगर दो रेशनल नंबर को ऐड करना है तो इसका रिजल्ट रेशनल नंबर होगा. कॉम्यूटेटिव में बोला गया इफ एडिशन करते समय वी आर चेंजिंग द ऑर्डर द रिजल्ट इज नॉट गोइंग टू चेंज. एंड जनरल फॉर्म इज आल्सो गिवन ऑन द स्क्रीन. a by b plus c by d is equal to c by d plus a by b, where a by b and c by d both are rational numbers. So this it will be rational. One more. Now coming to the third property, उससे पहले हम लोग कुछ और देखते हैं. Just solve this question which is given on the screen. Fast. I think you all are ready with your pen and paper. Solve this question. What result you are getting for LHS and RHS? Fine. I'm coming up. Let's verify it. Fast. In both the cases, you are going to get the answer minus 1 by 12. So, this is also showing one property of addition of rational number. It is showing that if we are changing the group of the numbers, the numbers are the same, but only we are changing its group. पहले हमने grouping की minus 3 by 4 and 1 by 6 की. दोनों को एक साथ group करके बाद में 1 by 2 से add किया. और RHS में what we have done minus 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4 को अकेला छोड़ दिया and grouping की 1 by 6 plus 1 by 2. And in both the cases we are getting the same answer minus 1 by 2. So we can say rational numbers can be grouped in any order and we are going to get the same sum. This is called associative property. So general form of associative property is given on the screen. Please note it down fast. Fine. Coming to the next topic, next property. Addition is associative for rational numbers. This was the third property. Now students, in previous class you have studied that the sum of any number and 0 gives the same number. अगर 0 को 100 से ऐड कर दो, 99 से ऐड कर दो, 1000 से ऐड कर दो, 60 से ऐड कर दो, it is going to give the same value. The same rule applies to rational number also. किसी भी रेशनल नंबर को 0 से ऐड करिए, 0 को किसी रेशनल नंबर से ऐड करें, we are going to get the same result. This is the another property. It is called property of 0. Property of 0 क्या है, या फिर इसको additive identity का है. Both are same. Because rational number, when added to a rational number, 0 is added to a rational number, it is not going to change its identity. पहले ये a by b था, 0 से ऐड हुआ तो भी वो a by b ही रह गया, इसकी आइडेंटिटी चेंज नहीं हुई. That is why it is called additive identity. 0 को किसी नंबर से ऐड करो, इसका वैल्यू चेंज नहीं होगा. बट कीप इन माइंड, अगर इसका हम उल्टा कर देते हैं, इट वोंट बी सेम. 0 को हम किसी से ऐड किए तो वैल्यू चेंज नहीं हुआ, पर 0 में से किसी को सब्सट्रैक्ट कर देंगे, फ्रॉम 0 इफ वी आर गोइंग टू सब्सट्रैक्ट, जस्ट रिवर्स हो जाएगा इसका. 6/7 minus 0, 6/7. But 0 minus 6/7, it will be minus 6/7. And this property is called additive inverse. This property is called additive inverse. इसकी sign ही change हो जाती है. There is a change with its sign. Sign change हो जाती है. Things are on the screen. Just note it down. The additive inverse is the same as absolute वाली तो सेम रहेगी, बस साइन उसकी क्या हो जाएगी, चेंज हो जाएगी. So additive inverse and additive identity both are two different properties. Additive identity में वैल्यू चेंज नहीं होती है और additive inverse में नंबर सेम होता है और साइन चेंज हो जाता है. The general form is written on the board. Sorry, written on the screen. Just note it down. Now students, the sum of additive inverse to the rational number is always 0. It's obvious क्योंकि same number का opposite sign है. तो a by b को प्लस करेंगे नेगेटिव a by b से, तो रिजल्ट क्या मिलने वाला है, 0. या नेगेटिव a by b को प्लस करें a by b से, तो रिजल्ट क्या मिलने वाला है, 0. तो एडिटिव इनवर्स को अगर रेशनल नंबर उसके रेशनल नंबर से ऐड करते हैं तो रिजल्ट हमको क्या मिलता है, 0. So in this video, what we have learned, the definition of rational number, that the number is in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0. Next क्या पढ़ा था हमने? Yes, हमने पढ़ा है स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ रेशनल नंबर. स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में हमने क्या पढ़ा कि इट शुड बी इन सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म और डिनोमिनेटर नेगेटिव नहीं हो सकता है. एडिशन ऑफ रेशनल नंबर पढ़ा, फिर उसके प्रॉपर्टीज पढ़े. कौन कौन से प्रॉपर्टीज पढ़े हमने? क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी पढ़ी, commutative property pari, associative we have read, additive identity we have read, and additive inverse we have read. In general forms, all are written here to conclude this chapter. So students, again I am saying, you can practice the questions from your NCERT books, NCERT PDF, RSA PDF, or any other practice book you are finding at home, online, anywhere, practice it from there. We will also try to send more questions for practice. In next video, we will discuss another topics. Have a nice day, students.